Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 56 under Test of Orals, Section 7. So the instruction is from the words lettered A to D, choose the word that contains the sound represented by the given phonetic symbol. So this is the phonetic symbol given to us, the T consonant sound, and option A is tidy, B catch, C portion, D thick. So in order for us to pick out the option that contains this consonant sound, it would be a good idea to transcribe each of the options given to us so we can see which one contains the sound. So option A, tidy, is transcribed this way. Option B, catch, is transcribed this way. Option C, portion, is transcribed this way. Portion. And option D, thick, is transcribed this way. Now we can see that from the transcriptions we have done, option A, which is tidy, contains this consonant sound here, and hence option A, tidy, is the correct answer. Now note that this what appears to look like the consonant sound in catch is not it. It is this consonant sound. So this is the consonant sound together like this, and it's pronounced ch consonant sound. So this is a single consonant sound, and that is why the correct answer is A, tidy. So thank you. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.